Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this look, not gonna lie, this was such a struggle to make right now because it is so hot. I don't have AC in my house and it is melting off as I'm speaking, but this backdrop really inspired it. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. And if you like what you see so far, please consider subscribing. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Instagram is JessBurtonBeauty and Twitter is JessBurr, BURR 32. So yes, please stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to take my Tarte Poreless Mattifying Primer, and because it is so freaking hot and humid and I'm already sweating, I'm just going to place it where I get really sweaty. I don't have AC in my house, so I'm kind of dying. Really, it says it's only 84, but it feels way hotter. Okay. Now that that has dried down a little bit, I'm going to take my Makeup Forever HD foundation, and I'm going to be using this Tarte foundation brush today instead of a beauty blender. And I do about 2.5 pumps on the back of my hand, and I just dip the brush in here and stipple it first. And I have a lot of bright pimples, and I'm just stippling it on and then blending out. And I'm not using the Farsali drops today because my face is going to be greasy because of the sweat, so I don't want any additional oil. And then using this dry brush helps to really conceal my breakout areas without using like a green color correcting concealer or anything. Okay, and I'm going to go in with my concealer. Well, first I'm going to take my NYX Mineral Stick Foundation, and this is in the shade MSF09 Caramel. Okay, now I'm going to take this other Tarte dual-ended brush. I'm going to take this side here and blend out my nose. Okay, now I'm going to take my RCMA powder, as always. This is really going to lock in everything because I am a face sweater. I like to set my lids because they are so oily. And I'm going to bake just a little bit up here because I sweat really bad there. Okay, so I'm going to be using this cute little Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. This is what it looks like. And so we are just going to go in. And since I'm such a lazy piece, I'm just using some dirty blending brushes. Of course, my MAC 217. I think we're just going to start with this pink shade here. And I really like the Huda Beauty eyeshadows. They're so smooth. Now this pink shade is vibrant. I'm probably gonna have to retouch my lip area often. Okay, so I'm going back in with another layer of that pink shade because I really want this to be really blown out. And I want this pink to really shine through. I feel like on camera it looks like I'm going really rough and hard into my eye, but I'm actually not. Taking a clean blending brush just to really diffuse this. We don't want anything, any patchiness, any areas where they don't look blended. Okay, next I'm going to take a smaller blending brush. This is a MAC 221. And I'm going to go in with this deep shade here, this deep reddish shade. And this blending brush may actually even be a little too thick. We'll see. So pretty. And I'm just taking this, the same brush that I used the first shade with and blending these two together. And then I think I'm going to take that first pink shade again and kind of drag it a little bit onto the outer corner. Okay, and to carve out the crease a little bit, I'm going to be using Benefit Highbrow. And I'm going to sharpen this really quickly. I'm taking just a flat brush. And now I'm just going to spray my finger with some Urban Decay Chill. Then we're going to take this shade here. And we're going to take the other side of that flat brush. And again, smooth everything out. Taking this flat brush again and going to be using this middle pink shade. And to blend everything together. And take this deep purple shade here and just line my upper lash line with it. I think we're ready for the lower lash line here. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with my 217 and that first pink shade we laid down. So now I'm going to go in with that shade again. I don't know how well it's going to do on my lower lash line, but we'll see. Going back in with my MAC 221 with the first pink shade. Back with the deep purple shade. Okay, and then I'm going to do my mascara and lashes off camera. I'll be using the House of Lashes Iconic Lights. I've sprayed like 15 times already, just because it feels good. I don't know if it's anything. But this is what the lashes look like on. They're a little more dramatic than I was planning, but that's okay. I mean, why not always get as dramatic as you can? So, to line the lash line so I don't have any white glue showing, I'm just going to take my NYX matte liquid liner, just go over the lash band. You guys, I'm sweating so hard. officially done with the eyes. Powder contour might turn into a cream contour. Seriously. Let me speed through this here. Of course, using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, Milk Chocolate Soleil. And the Balm Hot Mama blush. And for highlight, we're gonna use Becca Opal. And then for lips, not sure, gotta think. But in the meantime, I'm gonna align with Maybelline Color. Okay, I think I am going to use this Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. And I think this is in the shade called Seduction. Seduction. Sensual seduction. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really like how it turned out. Really kind of what I was going for, like a rose gold color cut crease with like a bright pink shade. And then this like pinky mauvish lip. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video.